Interrogative sentence starts with WH or auxiliary verb. Sometimes main verb or final verb sit before the subject in terms of linking verb, am, is, are. Okay, so if we identify interrogative sentence, we first follow the ending mark of the sentence. If we find any question mark, the sentence must be interrogative sentence. Okay, is it clear? I think it will be clear. Then another is sign of exclamation. If any sentence ends with sign of exclamation, the sentence must be exclamatory sentence. Beside the sentence maybe starts with WH, what, how. Moreover, the subject and verb will see it at the very end of the sentences. It is easy to identify the ending mark to identify exclamatory sentence. If we find exclamatory mark in the end of the sentence must be exclamatory sentence. Now we have only 3 sentences, and those ends with full stop. So if any sentence starts with subject and ends with full stop, the sentence must be assertive sentence, because assertive sentence always starts with subject and ends with full stop as ending mark or punctuation mark. Go to the next. This sentence starts with may and ends with full stop. This sentence also starts with may, but there is a difference between the two sentences. I will clear it later. If any sentence starts with may or long and ends with full stop, the sentence must be optative sentence. Sentence must be optative sentence. If we translate it into Bengali, we will understand the sentence which always express prayer or wish. If we wish someone or if we pray for someone, the sentence will be optative sentence. But actually in our exam, in Bengali, in a syllabus or in your exam, you will not find out according to Bengali meaning. So we must follow the English version of the sentence. Those sentence starts with may or long and ends with full stop. The sentence must be optative sentence. Now you will ask, this sentence also starts with may. What is the difference between the two sentences? Okay, I will clear it. This sentence starts with may, then subject. This sentence also starts with may and subject, but difference is ending mark, a punctuation mark. In interrogative sentence, it may starts with may. Also, it may start with WH, sometime auxiliary verb, but the difference is question mark and full stop. So, those sentence starts with may or long and ends with full stop. The sentence must be optative sentence. Now we have another sentence, that is imperative sentence. Dear student, if we strictly follow, the sentence starts with subject. There is no subject. The sentence starts with verb. There is no subject. Is there any subject? No. The sentence starts with verb and ends with full stop. If any sentence starts with subject and ends with full stop. Besides, if any sentence starts with let's or let us, never, always, please, etc. If any sentence starts with please or always or never or don't, actually no subject. In this kind of sentence, you will not find any subject. So, if any sentence starts with verb or always or please or never or let us or let's or let me, let him, etc. Actually, let. The sentence maybe starts with let or any verb or please or never. The sentence must be imperative. So, we will discuss the 5 kind of sentence. So, we will discuss 5 kind of sentence. What kind of sentence have we got? 1 sentence, 2, 3, 4, 5. So sentences are 5 kinds. What kind of sentence? Sentences are 5 kinds. That is assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative and exclamatory. So we have got the 5 kinds of sentences according to meaning. According to meaning. Now we will discuss how can we find out or identify any sentence. We will repeat it again. If any sentence starts with subject and ends with verb, the sentence must be assertive sentence. If any sentence starts with auxiliary verb or WH and ends with question mark or sign of interrogation, the sentence must be interrogative sentence. If any sentence starts with verb or please or never or always or let us or let's or let, the sentence must be imperative sentence. This sentence ends with ending mark, it ends with full stop as ending mark. If any sentence starts with may or long and ends with full stop, the sentence must be operative sentence, and those sentence starts with WH or other thing but ends with sign of exclamation, the sentence must be exclamation sentence. So if we follow the ending mark, it will be very easier because this is interrogative sentence, this is exclamation sentence. That's clear. We have only 3 sentences: full stop but subject assertive, full stop but verb or please or let imperative or never, don't. This sentence full stop but starts with may or long but ends with full stop. This is optative sentence. Dear student, please write down these sentences in your own notebook or khata to remember or to store it. So we will now review the classes. Sentence means a group of words sit side by side or in a proper way that gives us a clear meaning. That is sentence. A group of words sit side by side or sit in a proper way or in a structural way gives us a clear meaning. It's called sentence. Sentence, according to meaning, sentence are 5 kinds: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory. We have learned what is sentence, what kind of sentences, and how we will find out any sentence. Now I will give you homework. Please wait. It is your homework. It is your homework. Homework is identifying sentences. Number 1, we follow the health rules. Number 2, how do you feel? Number 3, this is your homework to identify sentences. Number 3, don't make any noise. Number 4, long live our president. Number 5, what a fool I am. Dear learners, please write down it in your own note or own khata, and you will identify it in your home. I will in our next class I will look over your homework. So now I am going to finish my class. Actually, without any student, it is very difficult for me to take any class or to discuss anything, because I don't get any response from you, and I have to carry on one-sidedly my class. However, I don't understand how much have I given you. Okay, best of luck. I wish you success. Bye. Okay, see you in next class. Till then, bye.